outside here.
It's true. I don't think we're going to be any warmer here in New Mexico compared to those standing out there in Times Square. We'll go ahead and get started with that forecast because we do have a lot to cover as far as our next system goes. You can see it right there on satellite radar moving into western Arizona. It's making a beeline for New Mexico, and really we look to see some of its impact as early as this evening across far western New Mexico. So that's what we're tracking. Again, anything that falls overnight, it's just going to add to this. We're still looking at those very icy conditions out across the eastern plains. You'll notice Interstate 40 at Clines Corners definitely does not look good. So we'll have to be very careful out on those roadways going into tonight and tomorrow. And even still, visibility of concern down to the south and east. So you really even haven't made any improvements since this morning. The rest of us across the state looking at the cloud cover, but nice visibility. Wind chills, not even pretty. You'll notice 15 degrees is what it feels like walking out the door here in Albuquerque. Much colder in Santa Fe. Pretty much everyone else in the teens and 20s, you need the heavy coat walking out the door at any point today and even into tomorrow. The setup, we have the low pressure system coming in, cold across the board, breezy conditions still there, although the winds are significantly better today compared to what we dealt with yesterday afternoon. And as far as the logistics go, your winter weather advisories and all the watches posted, a winter storm warning out across the Northwest Plateau and into the San Juans and Jemez Mountains. Albuquerque underneath a winter weather advisory, and then back to the warnings we go to the south and east. Regardless if you're underneath the pink or the purple, I want you concerned about the snow coming in tonight because I do think it will accumulate, and it will accumulate fast with this system approaching. Timing wise, I'll start it around lunchtime and go towards those evening hours. It's going to creep across the state line first. You'll notice those timing issues is kind of coming in a little bit sooner than I'm thinking, but overnight we'll see the main impacts with this storm. We're ringing in 2015 with some snow out west. This brings it closer to the metro area by around 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, and I agree with that. But again, it's so cold, it will not take much to get this to stick to the grounds. So I'm thinking here in the Albuquerque metro area, anywhere from about a trace to up to 4 inches. We'll see some higher amounts in the foothills and also up against the mesa. So that's what we'll watch, a little bit of that lingering mountain snow coming into tomorrow afternoon. So southern Colorado, get ready for the snow here within the next few hours. Temperatures, though, will struggle. We're only looking to hit those upper 20s to low 30s today. On and off snow showers through tonight into tomorrow. Northwest, again, prepare for the snow here coming in around 5 p.m. to about 8 p.m. That's when we're starting to see it creep across the state line. On and off through tomorrow. Temperatures don't really plan on a warm up for the next 4 to 5 days. It's going to stay in the 30s. South and west, more of this will be a rain snow mix. Temperature wise though, 30s and 40s. You'll be the most mild of anyone here in the state. South and east, icy roads. We've been dealing with that for the last 48 hours now. Lots of cloud cover. Again, a second little punch expected not only tonight, but again on Friday. North and east, icy roads once again for the next few days. Flurries probably a little bit now. A better punch of the snow arriving by Thursday. Northern mountains, I'm thinking close to a foot of new snow by the time we hit the end of the day tomorrow. Temperatures, though, will be very cold, so skiers, make sure you bundle up if heading to the resorts. East mountains, looking at a break right now. Snow comes in overnight into tomorrow. Metro area, we're talking 30s as afternoon highs today. Again, the peak snow hours will be at about 3 a.m. tomorrow morning till about 10 a.m. Because I'm watching the timing of this, it's all kind of depends, and that will really depend on the accumulations is what we're looking at. Flurries possible by Friday, but finally some sunshine in that 7-day forecast.
Okay.
Eventually, once we get to the weekend.
Okay, thanks,
Yes.
Kristen. How about Andy?